Hi friends, this is Katie. I want to share with you a new feature when you are grading, a new way that you can personalize and humanize your grading feedback for your online students in Canvas. So I need to make my way to the SpeedGrader. Right now I'm just in Teaching Tree. I have a test student down here who submitted something. So I'm going to click on that little right arrow and open up SpeedGrader. That will display to me the paper that this student submitted in this case. You know, you'll see whatever your students submit, obviously, but where you'll see the change is this new video button. So now two things are new about this. One is that the videos that you record here are auto-captioned. That was not the case before. And secondly, you can screen capture those videos. So it used to just be a talking head video here, but now we can do screen capture for these as well, which is really handy when you want to mark up a paper and talk your way through it with your students seeing parts of the paper that you're referring to. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to hit the record button, and you'll see my webcam because my webcam is enabled. You can turn it off if you don't want to use it. Make sure that your correct microphone is selected and that you're getting this blue bar displaying across the bottom because that's indicating that it's detecting your audio. And here's where you decide if you want to enable screen capture or not. So screen capture is, do you want to record your screen in addition to your webcam? I want to in this case, and this is the new part of the new functionality of the tool. I'm going to record, I could record a specific tab, a specific window on my computer, the entire screen of a certain, of my computer. So decide what you're going to record. In my case, I'm just recording that activity, the same screen that I'm on, because I want to showcase, highlight parts of this paper as I'm giving my feedback. So I'm going to hit share. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to hit start recording. It's going to count me down, and then I'll just do a quick little demo for you guys. This counts me down. And now I'm recording the feedback from my student. Dear test student, this was a lovely effort on your paper. I'm looking here at paragraph 1, and the feedback that I have for you is that some of these sentences don't really seem to fit, blobbity, blobbity, blobbity. I also wanted to call out this interesting sentence in paragraph number 2. You might want to take another look at rewording this one, blobbity, blobbity, blobbity. And then really great job with your last paragraph. I especially like blobbity, blobbity, blobbity. Okay, so go ahead and you're welcome to resubmit this with this feedback, revising, using the feedback, and let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks so much. Now that I'm done recording that, I'm going to hit this finish recording button. And now it gives me the preview. It was a 43-second video. I can give it a title if I wanted, feedback on paper to test student. And then I'm going to hit save media. What it does is it's going to put it into the comments. It embeds it right into the comments for this attempt. Now, when I first tried this, I did not see captions right away. Like when you hit play on this, actually right now it says currently being converted, try again in a little bit. So I'm going to be very impatient and just play that again. So see, but we don't see the captions button yet on this. Last time I did this, it took like 10 minutes before that showed up. And it didn't show up until I refreshed my screen. So I came up here and refreshed. And then, let's see if it's that fast. No, see, it's still not there. So I'm not going to sit here and wait for it, but I will come back to, I'll pause the video and come back and you'll see it once those captions do appear. So hang tight. Okay, so that took about 7 minutes, but the captions did come through. So if you click the play button now, you see the little toggle captions on option. If I hit play, you probably won't hear any of the audio, but I'll toggle captions on, and you can see that the captions do appear. You can see that it shows the screen. Students can full screen this video and then minimize it again. So it's pretty handy that we can now add captioning and do screen capture in those SpeedGrader media comments. I just wanted to make sure that you all were aware of that new functionality and give it a try sometime. All right, that's it for me. I hope this helped. Bye-bye.